switch has gone out here on my Freightliner Cascadia. You can see it, there's just no resistance there. It doesn't move this window up and down at all. So we're going to I'm going to show you how to change that today. It's a pretty simple job. No need to pay somebody to do this. Get yourself a flathead screwdriver or something flat, kind of wedge it under there and just pry up gently. We might even see if I can do this with one hand for you. Pull it out. We got a little cord back here. You can just unplug that. All you gotta do is pull it out. You don't have to pinch any tabs or nothing. All right, here's our old unit. Let's get the part numbers on this. I'll give you the old part number and the new part number. The old part number is A6609199-000, and the new updated part number is A6624310-006. Freightliner likes to do that every so many years, change their part numbers, so probably so you can't keep up and you got to go to them for your parts. But here's what they look like. You got your two window switches, mirror controls here, and heat right here. So same switch. Let's see if we can't get her back in here. Probably not one-handed, but just plug your wire back in there, flip her around, push her back in, and just give her a little push, and we're right in there. So let's see if our window works now. Look at that, right up and right down. I'll just test both windows here, test my mirrors. Mirror heat works. Looks like my mirrors are working, so we're good. Fuel prices got you down, going up every 10 minutes. Do you like the fuel at Love's and Quick Trip? The KT and the Quick Star up in the Midwest, not the QT? Hit me up. We got some of the best pricing out there for Love's and Quick Trip. In fact, I believe it is the best pricing on a program you've never heard of before. It's not mine. I don't sell it, but I could definitely give you the connection, get you hooked up. Email me, DIYsemi@yahoo.com. Just give me your name and your phone number. I'll get one of the representatives to call you. And for those that know how a cost plus program works, it's a cost plus 0 at Love's and Quick Trip. So yeah, beat that.